Magsimano kayo sa akin. Magsimano kayo.
Get inside. So we're going to say 1, 3 or trick. Trick. Oh, trick daw. Okay. Makaraya. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. One for the day. Name of the boy who lives down the lane. Where's the candy? Tinapon niya ano. Alam naman. Okay. What are you going to say? Thank you. Welcome.
Ay, maraming salamat sa inyo.
Ganun doon na talaga yun.